Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, we do have a big gap down. That is because of the jobs report. Doesn't look good. Gives me a bearish sentiment on the day, but I'm expecting a pop initially and then a gradual fade. So I'll wait for the first few minutes to see how both SPY and QQQ reacts and then define my trades based on that. We do have around 15 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching SPY. Not in a hurry here. I think SPX may try to retest 4050. SPY staying strong. I wish it broke the pre-market lows and then did a bounce. Right now it's staying strong out of the gates. SPY hesitating to drop. Looks like it's staying strong. No trade so far. Getting in around 3:30. Expecting a bounce back. Out for now. That was a perfect trade. Waited for a pullback and on the small bounce I took it out. I'm much more comfortable trading the pullback or the rebound setup rather than the breakout or breakdown setup, because in this market we're not getting a follow through. So breakout and breakdowns are not working. $40, I should not be complaining about it. I like to see quick moves, and with just one contract adds, I would not have the option to scale out. So that's why I had to book the profits when I had it. See the volume. We don't have much volume, and this is SPY, one of the most traded ETFs in the market. Following a B done by 30-minute approach, so I'll keep watching for another 13 minutes, and if I don't see any good setups, I'll call it today. Alright, I've been waiting for a few minutes and looks like SPY is not doing anything. The premiums are hovering around my entry price, so I'll wrap it up and call it a day. An okay day of trading, making close to around $40 in less than 30 minutes. Especially on a Friday. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basics and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.